everyone. Today we are at Camp Menzies, and today we're going to talk about sending letters from home to girls while they're here with us at camp. So letters are an amazing way to let your camper know that you are excited for all of the ways that she's challenging herself and that you can't wait to hear about her journey when she gets home from camp. There's a couple of tips and tricks that we have as camp staff and as child care professionals on what those letters can look like so that you are enhancing your girl's experience while she's at camp. One of the suggestions I have is to keep your communication super positive. So we know that you miss her so much and you can't wait for her to return home. But if she reads that, it can enhance homesickness and a lot of other negative emotions and can detract from her camp experience while she's here. So instead, focus on how proud you are of her, that she is putting herself out there and that she is trying something new. If this is her first time away from home, validate that and tell her how proud you are of her. Another thing to focus on is to remind her about how awesome it is that she's here, and to remind her to wear bug spray and to put on sunscreen and to make sure that she's drinking water, and to ask questions like, what are your counselors like? What have you done today? What friends have you made so far? What's your favorite memory so far? That way, when she gets off the bus and she comes home, she is already ready to answer your questions, and the entire way that you are driving home, she's gonna be answering and buzzing with information and is gonna be able to talk about those peak moments while she's here with us at camp. So those are some tips and tricks from yours truly about how to make sure that your camper letters are hitting all the points and making sure that they are adding to your girl's experience while she's here.